Everybody, today we are going to do some technology verification to my methodology with Veriserve and the Eagle King.
Hello, this is Introduction to Verification by Methodology.
What is verification?
What is verification? It's about functional verification of ASIC and SoC designs. Functional verification is the process of checking the design against the specification. So before you design something, you have to write it in a document and code it. And how do you know the document is right?
What's functional verification?
It's verification of the functionality of the design. When you design something, and then first you have to verify if it is working properly in a ASIC or SoC design, and then you have to synthesize it and make it into a circuit netlist, and the netlist is laid out, and then eventually it is sent to the fab to make it into silicon. So before you do anything, functional verification checks the code, RTL code is same as the one which we want. It's written in the specification.
So
that is functional verification.
What's the picture to the left, the down left?
It is the design. The circuit is an example of a design.
What's
Somebody
the arrow?
can.
What's the arrow mean?
So these can be circuits or it can be an RTL design. And then we are saying that functional verification makes sure that whatever the engineer has planned and whatever he designed are same. We make sure verification makes sure they are both same. So this is an example of a verification environment. The pictures are currently empty, but this is the test bench or a TB. Test bench will have a design under test or a design under verification. Design under test is right there, this one.
So test bench and DUT are different.
Yeah, they're different. Test bench has DUT, this one is the DUT, and this one is something which can generate data to the DUT, and this is something we can call it as a scoreboard, which takes the design and then checks to make sure the design is working properly. Next, verification metrics. So how do you know the design and the specification are correct?
What's the meaning of metric?
Metric is something you can measure something with. So you want to measure the verification. How do you know the verification is correct or not correct? So the metrics are pass-fail rate. So if you write some test cases, the pass-fail rate will tell if your metrics is correct or not. The pass should be 100%. Code coverage will tell you if the code is correct. Code is all the code is tested or not. Functional coverage will tell you if all the functions are corrected or not, checked or not. CDV is the coverage-driven verification. Uses coverage as a metric. It can be code coverage or a functional coverage, and close it's a metric to track and close on verification. Critical part of all verification methodologies. So various methodologies we will see later, they all use coverage as one of the main things to track and close on verification.
Okay.
Verification methodology. What is verification methodology?
It's a name of the step.
It's a process and tools to create uniform and effective environments. So it tells you step by step how to create a verification environment, how to use it. It also provides some tools. It provides code you can use to quickly create environment. So it enables uniform and effective.
What's uniform mean?
Uniform means even if 10 different people of different experiences, they use the verification methodology and the process and tools, they all create a very effective environment, same environment. A child and a man, they can both do a very effective job. And also enables engineers of all experience levels to produce quality results. Even if a child engineer and a man engineer, if they process a good verification methodology, if they follow it, they can provide good quality of verification environment. Also, those results the code that results from the development is reusable. So it looks very uniform. So whether it is developed by a child engineer or a man engineer,
Probably that.
others can understand. Even if a child writes, the man can understand. If the man writes, the child can understand.
Next, verification methodology.
Methodologies, there are several of them. Most popular is UVM, Universal Verification Methodology. You can read all about it here. It is a
Check that out.
Wikipedia. Check it out.
We'll leave it in the description.
UVM is an industry standard, so everybody understands it and everybody uses it. So if you learn it, you can use it in any company.
We'll leave the link in the description, and if you have any problem, just leave it in the comments.
UVM provides tools and guides for effective. There are several pages of text and also some code you can use to create a verification environment.
What's the full form of UVM again?
Universal Verification Methodology. It's universal. Everybody knows it. Should know it also. What is more? It's only a summary. So far we covered. More, you have to know all the details of coverage-driven verification. What is coverage?
Part 2.
What is code coverage?
Part 2.
What is functional coverage? Why do you care? You can learn in part 2. We'll post it
Yeah.
if more people want it, right?
Hope you want it.
Okay. And then UVM, Universal Verification Methodology, reusable verification environments. It also helps verification closure using CDV.
CDV meaning?
CDV meaning coverage-driven verification. See, right there.
Yeah.
So UVM, you have to know more about it. What is UVM? What is reusable verification environment? How do you code it? All of it comes in
Part 2.
part 2. When?
Next week.
No, I don't think so. Whenever a lot of people like it.
Contacts.
Contacts, you can go here.
Google.com,
And then you
verisol.gmail.com.
can send email here. Also leave all your questions. in the comments.
Sites.google.com.
You can subscribe for the channel, of course.
You can subscribe for the Eagle Gang.
And then
Pranapuru. Subscribe.
and then
Subscribe.
Eagle King, they will search you. They will find
Subscribe.
Eagle King. Don't worry about it. Who cares
Type
about it?
Pranapur or type Eagle, the Eagle
And then
Gang. Type
that's the
Eagle
end.
Gang.
So
Subscribe.
like it, subscribe it, and
Like.
tell
Leave a
in the
comment.
comments what you want. More lessons will come.
First,
Bye.
first subscriber gets something.
Okay, bye. Nothing I will get.